Ever wondered why English can be so tricky? It's often due to common grammar misconceptions. Let's untangle one today: the difference between will and shall. These distinctions are now mainly observed by precise speakers. Shall is becoming less common, especially with second and third person pronouns. However, with first person pronouns, shall is still used to indicate the simple future. In conversation, most people use the shortened form L, which could be a contraction of either shall or will, but most people consider L to be a contraction of will, proving that will has been replacing shall in actual usage. Now let's explore other common errors. Consider the use of yes and no. Remember, yes is used with affirmative sentences and no with negative ones, so if asked, "Aren't you going out?" the correct responses would be, "No, I'm not," or "Yes, I am." Moving on to why not. This phrase is a way of suggesting something for consideration. The correct usage is, "Why not arrange a party in his honor," and not, "Why not you arrange a party in his honor?" Next up, whether and if. Only whether is possible after a preposition and before two infinitives. For instance, we haven't settled the question of whether we should move to a new house. Another common mix-up is between whose and whose. Whose is a possessive word, used in questions and relative clauses. Whose, on the other hand, is the contraction of who is or who has. And what about ward and wards? These words do not have the s when they are used as adjectives. When used as adverbs, they can be with or without s. Lastly, let's discuss well and good. Well is an adverb used to modify verbs. Good is an adjective used to modify nouns, so he speaks English well is correct, and so is she speaks good English. In conclusion, understanding these nuances can make a big difference in mastering English grammar. Though English can be tricky, remember that practice makes perfect. Keep learning, keep practicing, and you'll get the hang of it in no time.